Hey guys, Justin Vandermark here with another video. This video is going to be on what a great logline is. So let's jump into the video, guys. I'm going to go over what a great logline will have. So I will go over 7 necessities for a great logline. A great logline will reveal the protagonist's situation. It will also describe the action the protagonist takes. A great logline will go over and reveal the important complications for the protagonist. It will hint at the climax, which is the danger or showdown. Thank you guys for watching Creative Writing Lessons, where I go over tips and tricks to writing a successful story for beginners. So if you guys like this video so far, hit that like and subscribe button so I can continue giving you guys tips for writing a successful story. Let's jump right back into it. Great logline will hint at the protagonist's potential for transformation. A great logline will also identify sizzle, which is the sex, greed, humor, etc. And probably one of the most important ones is identify the genre, which is like sci-fi, romance, etc. If you guys want to find me on social media, I am also on TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram with Creative Writing Lessons. I will also have a link down below with my email, so you can send me an email for a free exposition worksheet. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to click this video here, you can see my other synopsis video. Here's also how to make a story plot art. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.